students, I hope you all are doing well. In this section of my video, we will be going through the concept and the logic of image formed by a concave mirror when you are placing your object between the center and the focus. As we have already discussed the position of the object as the position of image in the previous cases, this case is also a bit important. Let's start with, as you have the object between center and focus, I am just drawing my object which is between center of curvature and focus. Again, following the ray theory, the ray after reflection from the concave mirror passes through the focus. Another ray passing through the center of curvature will retrace its entire path. And what do we observe? We observe in this condition that an image is formed beyond the center of curvature. What is the position of image? Position of image is beyond C, that is the beyond center of curvature. Talking about the nature of image formed in this case, if you observe this condition, you will observe that in this case you are keeping your object between center and focus and the image is formed beyond the center. So discussing the nature as you have discussed in the previous section, image formed is real because real rays are being involved in the formation of image. Second, inverted. The position of image with respect to the object is inverted. As we had already discussed what an inverted image is, so we can just look out through the diagram made here and we'll judge that the image formed is inverted. Also, the image formed is enlarged. Enlarged image implies that for a smaller object you are getting a bigger image while you are keeping your object between the center and focus. So this was the basic concept while you are keeping your object between the center and the focus. I hope you have understood this concept well. Thank you.